Okay, we have a SmartEntry lock here, and we're just going to demonstrate on how to remove the faceplate so that you can get access to the batteries in case you have to change the batteries out. So we're just going to, I started taking this screw out, so we'll take that out. Just two other little machine screws that connect the faceplate to the base front of the lock body. And we'll just kind of just give that a little tap. That pops out. And here's your CPU, which is secured by two screws. And now I'm just going to grab the battery pack. Battery pack is connected here to the CPU. And we would just pop out the batteries, put new batteries in, and then just bury the battery pack back in the pocket, and put back on the faceplate and secure that with the screws.